In the heart of the wilderness, survival isn't just about enduring, it's about innovating. Nature experts share groundbreaking techniques that adapt to our ever-changing environment. For instance, crafting a natural water filter using layers of sand, gravel, and charcoal allows adventurers to purify water effortlessly. Furthermore, signal mirrors made from natural materials can reflect sunlight for rescue signals, ensuring visibility even over vast distances. Don't forget about activating survival instincts by studying animal behavior for foraging insights. Lastly, creating a friction-based fire starter with just sticks and moss can ignite the spark of survival even in the dampest situations. Adventure isn't just a thrill, it's a philosophy of preparedness.